How to change Facebook name font style. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily change your Facebook name font style. So if you want to change your Facebook name font style, then in that case what you can do is just head over to your Play Store, and first thing first, just make sure you have successfully downloaded this application called Fonts Keyboard, which provides free fonts for all of its users. And just tap on open and click enable your fonts keyboard from over here and switch to the fonts just like this. So let me just quickly switch to the fonts keyboard, and you can try it out by using different types of fonts just like this over here. So let me just select this one, and as you can see, and you can type in out same thing on your Facebook as well. So let's get over to Facebook, our Facebook application, and just click on it. And from over here all you have to do is come over to your profile section just like this and scroll down until you see settings. So once you tap on the settings just like this, just click on this account center option, and from over here just tap on your profile section and click on your profile section just like this, and once again select your name. Now just delete your previous name and select any of the fonts you like and just type in your name just like this, and you can just easily change your font style onto your Facebook. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.